At Cardinal Gibbons High School, we used one of the project resources highlighted on the NES website. Not only did collaboration occur between physics and earth science teachers, this project also provided a mentoring opportunity to occur between physics students and earth science students. We also included art students. The art students completed a landing site for us by painting or drawing a site of the moon. A combination of earth science and physics students formed each group as we began the project. Over 250 sophomores, juniors, and seniors worked on this Lunar Drop Challenge project. Teachers used the electronic professional development video to help guide them with certain areas of the project. Students teamed up to complete a problem-based learning challenge. They had to build a lander and rover to protect an egg when the device was dropped from a second-story window. In physics, this activity was a capstone project after the forces and momentum unit. In earth science, it was integrated into the moon unit. Prior to completing this project, students watched NASA Now movies to learn more about the moon. Students were able to Skype with JPL at the Digital Learning Network. This was an excellent presentation about the background of the lunar exploration. During Skyping, students asked some great questions to gather information for the construction of their project. Related information for this project was also obtained from the Lunar Nautics Educator's Guide that is on the NES site. Students also used the engineering design process packet from NASA to guide them through this problem-solving process. Students were excited for the drop day. They wanted to see if their work produced a device that not only protected the egg during the drop, but also if their egg rover could travel down the landing ramp. Once the egg was dropped and the rover successfully went down the ramp, extra points was awarded if the rover could travel a certain amount of distance beyond the ramp. Points were also awarded if the egg was still intact and there was no cracks. We had quite an audience on the day of the drop. Our school's administration and other teachers came out to watch the implementation of this project. Social media was used to promote this activity. Other teachers at our school have become interested in NES due to this project. We are now planning to cross the curriculum and to work with our math department on NES projects next year. After the devices were dropped, students were given a post-project survey to complete. We learned that students really enjoyed Skyping with JPL and they enjoyed building the devices. During our end-of-the-year course evaluation, we also learned that students listed this project as the most memorable class activity and their favorite activity of the year. We are hoping to continue to use this project next year. Using resources from NES, we will improve upon the implementation of this activity. With interest increasing in NES, more collaboration has taken place within the department and the school.